her sister. Then we're going to have Kerrica Hill. She looks one of the hot favourites for the women's 100-metre hurdle titles. That one, of course, is going on tomorrow. Well, we can see from 8, Australia, Italy 7, United States 6, Colombia 5, Jamaica 4, Great Britain 3, Germany 2, Switzerland 1. Well, here we go. This is the women's 4x100-metre final. Look at Jamaica. They've started off well. Let's always look at those baton changes. Well, the Jamaican change is a good one. And America are going pretty well there in lane 6, but this is all about Jamaica. Well, Colombia, oh, they were struggling with that baton a little bit there. Well, it does look like it's Jamaica from the United States, Great Britain and Northern Ireland and Colombia, and a real battle there for the bronze medal. Well, all the batons, oh no, Great Britain, it all went wrong for them on the last change, but it is Jamaica, United States of America in second place, and Colombia, the home team, well, the whole of the stadium, yet another medal in this World Under-20 Championships.
It's a world record. We have a World Under-20 record broken by the Jamaicans, and virtually nothing went wrong. The 100-metre champion there, Clayton, she had to have a second look at that final baton change, but she still scooted up the home straight to take the gold medal. And when you consider the delays and everything else, what a performance that is. And Colombia, well, they are delighted because they have picked up the bronze medal. Another medal for Colombia at these championships. Two silvers in individual events, and now they have a bronze in the relays.
Well, when you see scenes like this, it's very hard not to smile. And we're just hearing that United States in second place. That was a national record for them. Oh my goodness, all the athletes who have come through that US system, who've been on those US teams. The same can be said for Jamaica. For these two squads to be the fastest in history, well, we've seen something quite special here this evening. Well, there you go, that is confirmation. 43.28. Well, the future of sprinting in Jamaica and the United States, it looks in safe hands, doesn't it?
But it is a rather good squad, isn't it? Let's be honest.
That is a good time for a senior squad. That's the sort of time that would get you up there challenging for the medals in the equivalent of the World Championships for seniors.
The women's 4x100-meter relay final at the World Under-20 Championships was nothing short of spectacular, especially because of Jamaica's stunning display that earned them both the gold medal and a new U20 world record. The Jamaican squad consisted of Serena Cole leading off, followed by the Clayton sisters, Tina and Tia, and Kerrica Hill closing the race. From the opening leg, Jamaica asserted its dominance through smooth baton exchanges and blistering speed. The race remained competitive with strong challenges from the United States, Great Britain, and Colombia. Nevertheless, Jamaica's seamless transitions and explosive sprinting kept them comfortably ahead. Colombia struggled early on due to sloppy baton handling, which disrupted their rhythm and left them playing catch-up for the rest of the race. Great Britain's chances were shattered in the final exchange when they dropped the baton, a heartbreaking mistake after an otherwise promising run. As the final stages unfolded, Tina Clayton, already crowned 100m champion, showed immense concentration and strength. After a clean baton reception, she powered down the track with unwavering intensity. Despite a slight hesitation during the final handoff, her top-end speed remained unshaken as she charged toward the finish line with precision. The crowd erupted as she crossed the line, delivering a historic triumph for Jamaica. Their final time of 43.28 seconds not only broke the championship record, but was also impressive enough to compete at senior-level meets. The performance underscored Jamaica's dominance in junior sprinting and their strong potential on the global stage. The United States secured silver, achieving a new national U20 record, while Colombia energized the home supporters by clinching bronze, adding to their earlier individual silver medals. Jamaica's U20 sprint dominance comes as little surprise. Their young runners have regularly impressed, winning back-to-back titles at the Kerrica Games and continuing that momentum on the world stage. The Clayton twins, together with Serena Cole and Brianna Williams, have each shown they are stars in the making, solidifying their status as Jamaica's next generation of sprinting legends. The team's nearly flawless baton exchanges showcased their detailed preparation and disciplined training. As the 2025 season approaches, anticipation grows for what these rising stars will achieve next. The Clayton twins have already competed in the Gibson-McCook relays and are setting their sights on the World Indoor Championships, where they'll face experienced senior-level opponents. Thanks to their rapid progress and strong team chemistry, they appear poised to remain influential in international sprinting. Jamaica's sprint legacy is iconic, and performances like this further enhance their reputation as a sprinting superpower. For decades, the nation has produced world-class runners, and this emerging generation seems ready to uphold that tradition. With their exceptional speed, raw talent, and unwavering dedication, the future of Jamaican sprinting looks incredibly promising. This remarkable relay win further emphasized the importance of team cohesion in sprint events, especially at the junior level where nerves and inexperience can often lead to costly mistakes. Jamaica's squad, however, showed maturity beyond their years, not just in their athletic execution, but in their focus and synchronization. Every runner seemed perfectly in tune with the rhythm and demands of the race, a testament to the countless hours spent honing their baton skills in training. Observers and analysts praised the team's technical discipline, highlighting how rare it is to see such precision in youth competitions. Their performance is already being studied by coaches and athletes worldwide as a blueprint for successful relay strategy. From Serena Cole's explosive start to Kerrica Hill's confident anchor leg, the team maintained composure under pressure, handling transitions with grace and efficiency. What makes this victory even more exciting is the depth of talent coming through Jamaica's junior system. Behind these stars are dozens of young sprinters also pushing hard for a chance on the international stage. If nurtured correctly, this talent pool could ensure Jamaica's continued sprinting success for generations. The country's track and field programs, bolstered by strong domestic competitions and a culture that celebrates speed, are clearly producing results. In the end, the women's 4x100m final in Cali wasn't just about medals, it was about a statement. Jamaica didn't just win. They inspired, electrified, and reminded the world that the heart of sprinting continues to beat powerfully in the Caribbean.